Well, I'm out here at Bobcat Hollow in Douglas County, and this is officially probably the coolest thing I've ever seen. We followed the sound of the water, and we found what appears to be an enormous waterfall. It is just breathtaking. I'm looking north at the waterfall. We've got these beautiful layers of rock on each side. And then the water cascades down into this large pool area and flows down to the south in this creek bed. Absolutely stunning. More rock face over there. Just one of a kind. I mean, this is just incredible. I have no idea if this is a year-round creek. I've only been out here to see it this one time. It did just rain a couple days ago, so it's safe to say it does not usually flow this heavily, and it may very well not flow throughout the year. But by all indications, it's been flowing to some extent for probably tens of thousands of years. That is amazing. In Douglas County, Missouri at instantacres.com. Check us out on our website.